Hey everybody, it's the SNES Game. Welcome back to part 18 of Pokemon FireRed. Last episode, we discovered Team Rocket's hideout and defeated all but one of the trainers in there. In this episode, we're going to go fight the boss himself. So I must say, I'm impressed you got here. Team Rocket captures Pokemon from around the world. They're important tools for keeping our criminal enterprise going. I'm the leader, Giovanni. For your insolence, you'll feel a world of pain. Here we go. Boss Giovanni would like to battle. And he's a trainer of ground type, so Jolteon's going to be completely useless. And as you can see, I went ahead and healed before coming here. Now Gyarados is just going to completely sweep him with her water pulse. There we go. Now let's use water pulse and one-shot you. There we go. One down, two to go. Jolteon getting some experience there, which is good. He's a little underleveled. Yeah, I guess gonna have no problem against this Rhyhorn. So, same ordeal. Switcheroo! I thought this battle would be a little interesting, so I showed it, but there's not really a whole lot to talk about. Yay! Another one down. And Kangaskhan. Now this one is a pure normal type, so Jolteon can take this one on his own. Yeah, it's pretty easy for a boss battle, considering 2/3 of his team is quad weak to water and grass, which are two most common types. And we're just going to Shockwave again. It's not going to be enough. Maybe this one. Yeah, that spell's actually been kind of boring. Holy crap, this thing is resilient. Oh, why couldn't we have gotten that crit? And then one more to finish you off. Finally. It's over. And we get over 1,000 experience. What? This can't be. We got nice 2,900. I see you raise Pokemon with utmost care. So like you would never understand what I hope to achieve. What, stealing other people's Pokemon? I hope we meet again. And for that, we get the Self Scope. Now with that, we can see the ghosts in Pokemon Tower. So we're going to head on back to Lavendar Town. Now let's get out of here first. And then up these stairs, and then back to cheery music. Now to get back to Lavender, we could just go through Route 8. However, if we go into this building over here, and then we go over here, we see this old lady here. You shouldn't spend all your money on drinks. Try this instead. And then we get the tea. Nothing beats thirst like some hot tea. It really is the best. Now, as you can see, that will cure thirst. Now, who is thirsty, you might ask? Well, if we head out to the east, to Route 7, and through this gate, through the saffron tea. Oh, that tea looks awfully tasty. I got sweet things. I'll go saffron tea. You can go on through. I'll share tea with the other guards. And now we can press on through. And welcome to Saffron City, folks. It's overrun by rockets. Now, I could do quite a few stuff right here, because, well, this is kind of the hub of Kanto. But we're going to save it until after you take care of the Pokemon Tower. Then we go through here. And then just press on our way to Lavender. Probably should have cut, but you know what, we're already here, so why bother? Maybe heal real quick. Welcome to our Pokemon Center. Now, you know how, Mount Moon had, like, 20 million Zubats, and how they had a 70% chance of appearing? Whoa! Pokemon Tower is like a 95% chance of running into the same Pokemon. Yippee, I am so excited for this area. And that challenge is going to say, beware of ghosts. And all these other challenges are going to have the same thing. Be gone, malevolent spirit. That is one freaky spread, I must say. But yeah, she has a Ghastly. They all have Ghastlys. If I'll show you one battle just so I can say you've seen them all, because that's pretty much how it's gonna work. There, did you watch that battle? Good, you just watched every single battle in Pokemon Tower. Gonna cut ahead now. Actually, never mind. Ooh, double kick. Alright, good thing I didn't cut there. Now, double kick is a 30 power move, however it hits twice, so I mean, why not just make it a 60 power move? Now this will be a good time to get rid of Helping Hand. Now with it being a fighting type move, it's gonna do absolutely nothing against these Ghaslys. Now let's continue on and find another channeler. Kiki-kwa! Yay, a whole one Ghastly. What are these channelers trying to accomplish? Like, with just one Pokemon, you really think you can take over the world, become the best trainer? Like, that can't be what they aspire to, but why do they hang out here? Like, do they really think they can rise souls from the dead with just one Ghastly? Yeah, let's just run from this. I probably should have got some repels, but oh well. Gra. Yeah, these channelers have very, very weird speech patterns. There's one I'll bring to your attention later. Now it's time to pick up this item before you're very rudely interrupted, and it's just an escape rope. I was hopeful for a repel. Please don't have a repel. I'm gonna check that. Please don't have a repel. Do I have a repel? Please don't have a repel. I have 15 of them? Wow. I don't remember buying them. Then again, this is only like the third part I've made since my 7-month break. So let's head on through here. And more channelers! Be cursed with me. Quah! And we defeated Channeler Yanni. What? Alright, seriously, how do you guys hear Laurel from that thing? I know it's dead now, but yeah, we're on the internet. I could get a wide opinion with my whole 7 subscribers. But thanks for sticking with me though, once again. Ooh, beat me not. But you only have one Ghastly though. Ooh. Yeah, watch the Ghastly. I told you it's a Ghastly. Like, all these trainers are basically the same. I mean, Channeler Yanni had 2 Ghaslys, but other than that, they've all had 1. Like, maybe throw us a Haunter or something. Please? I'm tired of fighting these things. It's on the 2nd floor. See, I just showed that fight because of how stupid quick they are. They only have 1 Pokemon, it's all the same. This one I'm not gonna show. Ghost, no. Now let's carry on once again. I need to get out of here. I'm worried these spirits are gonna consume me. Let's head up once again. And there's the purification pet and repels Spectre off. Why can't this be the newer generations when I don't have to go to the menu to open up my repel? Just like, oh, your repel wore out. Do you want to use another one? I mean, I'm making a let's play here. Every second counts. And we have yet. Gee, guys, I wonder what she had on her team. No, I'm not even going to tell you because it should be obvious at this point. Enter the purified and protected zone. Your Pokemon were fully healed. Yay! I get to bring back my PV for Shockwave because I haven't taken any damage because all these Ghastlies are just sucking. As we have that cleanse tag there, which will lower the rate of wild Pokemon found. Which means you should run into 20 million less Ghastlies than you have been. It's not going to stop these channelers, though. Alright, let's press on. Spirit, don't see me, don't see me. Don't see me. I don't want to fight another channeler. Please don't see me. But you know what? I need experience. Ugh. You okay there? Sounds like you're throwing up. Jenai. I don't know what kind of name that is. I did not mean to use double kick. I'm so bored of fighting Ghastly after Ghastly after Ghastly after Ghastly. That's the first hit a Ghastly's gotten on me. I just want to get through this thing. And Nightshade will do damage equal to your level. So once you pass level 40, it is effectively stronger than Dragon Rage. Let's fight you because OCD is not letting me team without fighting all these trainers because I want to juice out the experience I can get. She has something different! She does not have a Ghastly. She has its evolved form. You know what? I will give you nothing because I can't give you anything in this game. I can give you a one-shot kill your Haunter. But I am very thankful that you do not have a Ghastly. And gas was my reaction when you did not have a Ghastly. Now are you! Give me blood. No, you friggin' vampire! Wait, you really think that I'm going to give you my blood, Angelica, with your 3 Ghastlies? No, all you're gonna be is a waste of time. That's why you're getting cut. The only reason why you're in this grid is because you're a stupid one-liner. You become a meme. Now let's carry on. Yay, an X accuracy. But you know what? We're near the end, folks. It's the final story. Cut. I believe you are the last trainer before the quote-unquote boss. Wow. Alright, now we grab an item here. A rare candy. Alright, that's pretty good. That was worthwhile. And now, be gone, intruders. We run into this ghost. And that's what the Silphscope is for. Unveiled to be a Marowak. Now, the original game... Oh wait, no, that's a ground type. What am I doing? It was in the original game. This Marowak was originally supposed to be a boss fight called Buried Alive. And if you did lose this boss fight, which I'm probably going to do, Buried Alive would come out and kill your main character. And would have a very pixelated image. And it would cut to black, turning your game off. Then we try turning it back on. Your save file's corrupted. Naturally, they got rid of this. Anyways, I have 20 seconds, so while I did not mean to use Mega Punch, thanks for watching, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. And don't worry, I'll take care of this thing off screen. It's just a wild Pokemon fight.